Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Maya coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, December 8th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 17 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 35 and a low of 24, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Anna, Owen. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the
republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In sports, the Blackhawks will play the Buffalo Sabres tonight at 7:30. The Bulls will play the Charlotte Hornets tonight at 6 o'clock. And the Bears will play the Cincinnati Bengals on Sunday at noon. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are: today is treat day from Krispy Kreme. Come down at lunchtime and buy a donut for only $1. Now a message from Mr. Smelger and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Maya. Good morning, Hoover. Yes. Like a Christmas tree being decorated. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. It is Orange Friday. I can't read anything with these things. All right. Did you know that today is Pretend to be a Time Traveler Day?
I sure did. It's one of my favorite days of the year.
So you're pretending to be like back in the 60s, it looks like. You're like
I am.
These hippies.
He's.
Owen, come here a minute. You know what? Since Owen did the pledge today, I'm going to put him on the spot. Today is Owen's birthday.
Woo!
Happy birthday,
Happy
Owen.
birthday.
High
Yay.
five. Good job. All right. You know, I'm going to have you back on in a little bit to help us pull, okay? All right.
Great.
So why don't you step off right
Happy
now? We've got a
birthday.
few things to take care of. All right. The holiday shop is coming to Hoover. You can shop for Christmas, Hanukkah, or any upcoming celebration like a birthday. You should have received either a green slip or a blue slip with the date that your class is able to shop, and maybe those are coming today. Also, there is a red and white envelope to plan your gifts and carry your money. There is a website to look at gifts, and it is going to be on the note that's being sent home because I'm not going to read it right here. All right, that one's done. Gosh, I don't even know what else is going on here.
Oh my gosh! Stop!
All right,
Leave
what are we
it.
doing? Like here, like this is your idea. It is.
Okay, great. So first we're gonna start with our teachers who have been trained. First we have Miss Manelli. A couple words to describe her are joyful, outgoing, patient, and role model. So great job. Woo. Cowbell, please.
Am I not doing any of these?
Cowbell.
Oh. All right, I have Mrs. DeLay. Mrs. DeLay, a few words that describe her. Friendly, adventurous, passionate, student-centered, and knowledgeable. So yay for Mrs. DeLay.
And then I have Mrs. Betcher. Just a few words to describe her: amazing, funny, sweet, resourceful, wonderful, and supportive. So great job. All right, so we're doing something a little bit different with our Smensel winners. We have like 8 Smensel winners today, and what Mr. Schmelzer and I are going to do is we're actually going to come into your classrooms and announce who you are. So if we come into your classroom and we shout your name and ring the cowbell and go crazy, like that, then you can still go down to the office, and the secretaries, they dress up in orange, they have the disco ball going, they have music going, so we just require that you dance when you're in the office, and then you can get your Smensel there.
why I'm not going to the office.
Oh, he'll go to the office.
Anyway, what are we doing?
We are going to
Is
do,
this
yes.
Both of you want to come on and help? All right. Why don't you stand, well, you can stand in front of us too, that'll work. Why don't you stand over on this side?
Yeah, you can come home.
Stand right here. All right.
Okay, so we'll pull from, I've got the intermediate A, we'll pull first. Pull in there,
I know what's going on.
Great.
All right, here you go, Owen. Dig in there.
Alexander from 205.
Alexander from
We have to
205.
scoot over
Step right in the front, actually, because we want you in the camera.
All right, who do we have, Owen?
Noah in 121.
All right, Noah in
Okay,
121.
that's a good name. Okay, pull another one.
Alex in 120.
205.
Caitlin in 205.
Alex in 121.
Alex in 121. Go ahead.
Gianna in room 211.
Ellie in 107.
Jasmine in 205.
All right, Jasmine, 205. Okay, dig in again and try and like mix it up a little.
Monby.
So we get different
Mondi
than
in 109.
Mhm.
That one's a hard one to read. Shavesh?
Sharvesh.
Sharvesh. Sharvesh and
211.
211.
Noah keeps getting drawn.
Woohoo!
Elizabeth in 102.
All right, Elizabeth in 102.
Davnia.
What'd you say?
Davnia.
Darvion?
Darvion.
That's
Darvion.
Damien.
Oh, yeah, Darvion.
Damien. That's
Damien.
an M. That's an M.
Damien.
211.
Damien and 211.
Damien in 211.
Ali in 107.
Yep, Ali in 107.
Allison in 211.
We'll do a couple more. Just gonna keep going.
We'll keep going. You keep going, we'll keep going. Marshall.
Marshall in 207.
We keep getting the same names. We're going.
Brianna in 214.
All right, let's do one more each. Go ahead, draw the last one each down there.
Rami.
Rami.
Yeah, it's Michelle. There's no Marshall.
Rami.
It's Michelle.
Rami.
Rami.
Romney.
And the last one,
Will you verify that? I think that's Michelle in 207. There's
oh,
no
it's
Marshall.
Aaron in 107.
Aaron in 107.
Monsi.
All right.
That's
That's one of the last ones you pulled.
Yeah. This
That's Monsi.
In
Monsi.
207?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Monsi. Ariana.
Ariana in 207.
All right, that is it. Remember to come down after announcements to the office to get your prize. And now we are going to
And our
sing.
Friday.
It's kind of like the ending, like sprockets.
Up with the river, they love us wherever we go. Up with the river is the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hooray.
All right, good job. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger and Mrs. Ankrum. Friday's fact is today is Brownie Day. Brownies are a rich blend of cake and cookie that tastes amazing and leaves you wanting another. There are many different versions of how to make these delicious treats. But there's one thing they all have in common. Thick, rich chocolate. Brownies can be the base for sundaes and milkshakes. And there's even a breakfast cereal based on them. Brownie Day is your excuse to indulge in some serious brownie overload. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Nartastic Narwhals production team. Have a funky, freaky Friday.